Hi, this is your Sewing Sherpa Shauna, and I'd like to invite you to join me in the Sew by Design Sewing a Kaftan workshop. It is a one-day, 6-hour workshop, and it's open to anyone who's taken the Stitch by Stitch class or has equivalent experience. So in this class, we are going to be sewing from a pattern made by a woman in the Middle East who makes a living at sewing and selling kaftans. It is a wonderful pattern to learn from. It is great for beginners, and it is a really customizable pattern. So this is the original pattern straight from the download. It is full length and it goes all the way to the floor. You can make it any length you want, even up to a shirt length. And if you'll notice, it has great shape to it, and that shape is not sewn in. There's actually ties on the inside, and you can tie it as tight or loose as you want. You don't even have to tie it at all, and if you don't tie it at all, it'll be loose like that, right? So you can have as much lunch as you want. When you sign up for this class, I will send you an email that will have a link to a video that will help you understand more about this kaftan and how to pick fabrics for it, and there will be links to actual suggested fabrics. It takes about 3 to 4 yards depending on the length that you choose, and it looks great in border prints, and the fabric does need to have a little bit of drape to it, but it doesn't have to have a ton of drape. This is a cotton crepe. It's like a gauze. Gauze would be really great for this. This is a great desert dress, you know, loose and flowy, great for after yoga, after swimming, great for a little house party. And again, you can make it out of something really nice. You can wear it on the red carpet, out to dinner, you know, just wear it. It has a lot of really fun things to learn from. It does have shoulder seams and a bound neck, and as I said, you can make it how you like it. I look forward to seeing you in this workshop, and either way, keep on sewing.